I am so proud to represent my beautiful country of Laos. Lao people are regarded as extremely friendly, relaxed, welcoming, caring, genuine, polite, generous, and giving. We also possess a strong sense of courtesy and respect for one another. Loyalty to family and friends is very important to us Lao people. Laos was named the land of 1,000,000 elephants. Laos is a landlocked, mountainous country in Southeast Asia with a rich history that stretches back 10,000 years. Buddhism is our religion, which is why there are hundreds of Buddhist monasteries, temples, and stupa everywhere. I grew up surrounded by nature and I can feel and see how beautiful and peaceful it is here. When it comes to the trees, the jungle, and the weather, everything is just so calm. I'm so lucky and blessed to call this place home. As a child, I would try anything and everything that gave me interest. I was a very confident and energetic child. I loved motivating myself and others. Growing up, I loved challenging myself by studying hard and attending various competitions because I am an active person. I love doing volunteer work because I feel that it is heartwarming and it gives me lots of joy when I am able to help others, whether it's art, Lao language competitions, sports, singing, public speaking, and in beauty pageants. I always seek opportunities to better myself. I have never waited on luck or fortune because I want to build my own path. Coming from a poor family in the countryside, I saw firsthand how English can help contribute and change my future in more ways than one. I had no idea what I wanted to be in the future until I stumbled upon an English learning classroom. I studied English for a while and eventually became an English teacher. I found out that I can help so many others become better English users and to help them reach their dreams. When I think about the best teachers, I always see that they not only teach the lessons, but they inspire their students to stay motivated and chase their dreams of a brighter future by working hard and pursuing their education. I've always taught myself and my students to believe in yourself and that you're capable, amazing, powerful, and you can achieve anything that you set your mind to. I am Payeng Salor, Miss Universe Laos 2022.